Hope everyone is having an amazing week. I know the holidays are coming up. A lot of people are making some pom poms. So I wanted to show you guys how to use the pom pom maker. I got this pom pom maker from Hobby Lobby. I actually had ordered one off of Amazon, and then I saw this one at Hobby Lobby before I was getting the one that I ordered off Amazon. I was like, this one is actually pretty cool and easy to use. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to use it today. So what we need is obviously our pom pom maker. I got my scissors and I have my yarn that I'm gonna be using. My nice little neon pink yarn. So for the pom pom maker, this is how we set it up. I always get confused on how to set it up. I kind of have to figure it out. Oh no, it's like this. So how I remember is these need to match up with these holes. So you just go ahead and bow just like that. And there's nothing like holding it together. You actually have to physically hold it together. So I'm just gonna set that right there. And then I'm gonna get my center pull, which is always satisfying. And let me just line this up again. And what you do, I just hold it kind of like this, is we're going to take the yarn, this part sticking out, we're going to place this on top of the on top of the pom pom maker. Hold that right there, and then from here we're just going to start wrapping. And I'm probably going to speed some of this up, or not. I might just do it all in real time so you can see how many times. There's not a certain amount of times that we are wrapping this around. We're kind of just wrapping it until it's full. So let me go ahead and speed do a little time lapse myself. I'm just kidding. As you can see, I'm trying to make it kind of like flush with this blue part, make it flush right there. So I'm just filling it up just a little bit more. You can always go back and fill it up more if you need to, but I think this is pretty good. So as you can see, I filled up one side, and then from here what you're going to do is I kind of just wrap it around right here, so that way I could switch sides, and then I just turn this around, and then I start wrapping this side. Kind of scoot that over. Try to make it as even as you possibly can. Comment down below what you plan on using your pom poms for. I just made like 2 Santa hats, and then I made a Christmas tree hat. If you guys follow me on TikTok, which I'll make sure to link my TikTok down below, you'll see the Christmas tree hat that I made. I might even post it in this video, a little picture or something. Maybe. But I have a Christmas party that I'm going to with my husband. On his family side of the family, we're doing a little Christmas party, and my mother-in-law had asked me to make her a extra long Santa hat, which was so fun to make. It came out so good. I'm gonna ask her if she's okay with me posting the picture of her. She looks so cute in it. I'm glad that she loved it. All right. And actually, I think for that one, I didn't even use my pom pom maker because I didn't have it at that point. So I had to make it like the old-fashioned way. And trust me, this pom pom maker, oh, makes my life so much easier. Just wrapping it to my liking. Again, there's not a certain number count. It's really until you feel like it's stuffed enough. I hope I'm still within frame. If I wasn't in frame this whole time, I'll be so upset. I know I'm like really close up, so I'm hoping everything is within frame. But you get the gist. You wrap it around. Come on, y'all. All right. So after you do this part, now this is the fun part. So you have your little two sides full, and then you're just going to close these. You can see here, I still have a little gap. I don't like that. So I'm gonna fill this up a little bit more, right in the middle. I think it's just this side that was the problem. I'm gonna try to make it even all the way around. Let me close it again. Yep, it needs a little bit more on that side. So to switch back to the other side, you're just gonna do like what you did on the other. You're just gonna wrap around this center portion, bring it over. Oops, oopsies. Okay. And then I'm gonna go ahead and wrap that center and make it more flush. Okay, we should be good. Yeah, that's perfect. See how there's like nothing in the middle? That's perfect. So from here, take our scissors, cut that piece off, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and clamp that. Oops, we have some that came over. That's okay. Clamp this part down. Did you see what I did there? Literally just a little clamp right here. This holds it together. Holds that together. Now, this is the fun part. So now we're gonna cut it. I like to start on this side. You can see the opening. We're gonna cut this way. So I'll go ahead and show you. Stick my scissors in there. You can get extra long ones. I have some other long ones, but I don't know where I put them. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting. We have our little pom pom. Now this is the fun part, taking off. You're probably like, oh, it's gonna fall completely apart. We're gonna fix that. Actually, I'm gonna cut off these extra long pieces really quick just to clean it up just a little bit. We're still gonna do a cleaning, trust me. But from here, we're gonna take our yarn again. We're gonna pull like a good size yarn string, enough to wrap it around and be able to attach this to whatever project we're working on. And then you're gonna stick the yarn right through the center here where we cut through, like that. Oops. And then we're going to tie it. I like to tie mine around twice just to get that nice pull. Tie it and then wrap around again twice. 1, 2, and pull down. E. And then I'm going to do it one more time actually. I'm going to do 1, oops, 2, and then pull tight. And then your pom pom is now together. So now we're going to go ahead and take off the pom pom maker. So we're going back to those clamps. Unclamping, unclamping, and then open this up. Take that off, and then take this one off, just like that. And then I'm just gonna shake it, do a little bit off camera, just to fluff it up a bit. As you can see, it's kind of oddly shaped. So we're gonna clean this up and make it into a perfect little ball. Let me zoom out just a little bit. So this is the fun part. Again, like there's no right or wrong way to do this. You kind of just cut it to your liking. I like to hold this because you don't want to accidentally cut this off. This is how you attach it to your project. So here, I'm probably going to speed some of this up, but if I don't, I don't. Go ahead and start cutting and giving our pom pom a little clean cut, you know what I'm saying? Nothing special, because we pros at this. We cut hair for a living. I'm just kidding. Okay. Cut, cut, cut. This gets really messy, so make sure you have something down to make sure you don't make a mess all over your space. For me, I'm on a little table, so I'm just gonna knock this off, put it on like a plate or something, and we good. Where we are, this looks pretty good already, but me being the perfectionist I am, I'm still seeing a few loose ends, or ones that like to poke out and show themselves, and I'm like, y'all need to get with the group, get with the times. Just gonna keep on cutting. I don't know about other people, but I get so scissor happy and I just start like I got clippers or something. Like I go a little too crazy, and next thing you know, it's 2 sizes smaller than what I started with. All right, so almost done. Might be finished. Let's see. Let's see. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake. Okay. So this is pretty cute. Let me see. I think it looks really good. This is a good pom pom. I'm not mad at it. So yeah, we just made a cute little pom pom. There's so many things. You can even hang this off of your rear view mirror. Come on now. I'm so stupid. All right, so here's our little pom pom. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video of me showing you guys how to use my little pom pom maker. I'm just taking the excess yarn off, but again, I have so many different sizes. Let me show y'all before we go the little pom pom makers that I have. Literally all of this for like $3.99. So I have this big one. I got a little orange one. And then a little green one. If you're making like a little baby beanie and you want to do a little pom pom. Oh my gosh, so cute. Okay, I think I'm done. All right, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. Oops, I hope I didn't get a whole bunch of stuff on the camera. Okay, anyways, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video of watching me use the pom pom maker. And again, if there's anything that you guys want to see from me or anything that you want clarification on when it comes to like any of my previous videos, please comment down below. Let me know. I am here to entertain and provide you guys with some really good content. So I'm so excited for the future videos. Anything you want to see, just let me know. I already have a few ideas of things that I want to post for you guys, so I cannot wait to show you guys that content. Again, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below if you enjoyed today's content, any questions you have, or anything you just want to see from me. Just let me know. I'm so happy that we made it to 500 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. I forgot to mention that as well. Thank you. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Let's get it. I appreciate each and every one of you, and thank you for crafting in Neptune. See you guys next time. God bless. Bye.